Racing just is started with Alexandrina. Break quickly at the start. Queen Cuba. In the middle portion comes Queen Star. Beauty Express in John Mint while Super Ligera is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Alexandrina by about 2 lengths. And in second, Queen Cuba. Queen Star is on the outside. And then followed over by entry number 1, Beauty Express. Super Ligera, while Indian Mint now racing in 6 as they swing down the back. We have Alexandrina enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Queen Star wins second. Queen Cuba is racing in third. Beauty Express comes next. Super Ligera, while Indian Mint still racing in 6. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Alexandrina by about 2 lengths. Queen Star still in second. Queen Cuba remains in third. Then comes Beauty Express, Super Ligera, and Indian Mint still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch with Alexandrina, followed by Queen Star in second as they swing for home. Alexandrina by about 3 lengths. Queen Star still in second. Queen Cuba remains in third with about 75 meters of the race from start to finish. We have Alexandrina. Second is Queen Star, Queen Cuba, Super Ligera. Then comes Beauty Express and Indian Mint.